All right, here I am back again. 2013 Nissan Pathfinder. What I'm about to do is the frame on the back. It's rusted away. As you can see, that piece is gone. That would be it right there. So I'm about to drop the frame out. I had already started doing some stuff, got the sway bar moved out the way, got to drop the spindle. So once I unbolt this, I get the spindle out the way, move that forward, get the spring out of there, and it won't be too long till I drop this down. But that's how you got to do it. That's what's going on. I'm not going to record everything that I'm doing, but if you know how to work on cars like I do, I won't need to show you every step that I'm doing. I'm just showing you what I'm doing and why I'm doing it because of that right there. They won't do a wheel alignment on it, so I got to change that out for my guy. That's it. But when I finish it, you're gonna see the finished product. I'm gonna show you what the other frame looked like. Let me go back here. All right, here's the other part of it. Here's the new frame that's gonna be replaced. I had already, put some rust-proof paint on it, whatever you want to call it. And this was kind of brown too, but as you can see, I got it all painted up. It's been like that for about 3-4 days, I think. So when I put it up there, it'd be nice and clean on the back. That frame came in real good. So now he better get a wheel alignment. I made sure the alignment bolts and stuff could move freely. As you see, they go 1, 2, 3 right there, and the 4th one over there. So there you go. All right, thank you for viewing my channel.